Hi, this is Alan Cowgill, and I'm excited to let you know that I'm coming back to Madison Co REIA to do a virtual boot camp on October the 24th, and I hope you come. I want to talk to you a little bit about it. If you don't know what private money is, that's a better reason to be there. And if you do, I guarantee you're gonna learn things that you don't even know about private money. It is the 24th, like I said, it's gonna go from 9 to 1. And the way this is gonna roll out is I'm gonna speak for about an hour and a half, and then I'm gonna open it up for questions. I'll do a quick 10-minute break, and then I'm gonna come back and get into the legal stuff, which nobody on planet Earth is given REIAs except for me. And I'll give them to you for your state and for the federal. So you need to be there for that. Then at 1 o'clock, we're going to open it up for questions again, and I'll answer every single question. So there's the website that you got. So just imagine the day you no longer will be begging for money. Just think about that. Just think what that day would be like for you. I'm going to go through the benefits of having private lenders, and this might blow you away. It's unlimited funds. You can't tap into all the money that's out there. It's incredible. You got speed to buy. You could get an offer accepted on a Monday and own the property on a Friday, same week. That's how fast you can move on this. Cash flow, I borrow money, extra money. I call it contingency money in case I got a problem. And I borrow it when I buy, and I leave the bigger chunk of money, the profit, in the back end, but I still pull out some money up front. And I want you to think about that because we're taught as real estate investors, we earn our money when we negotiate the deal, but you don't get your money until you sell the property or in payment plans. Imagine getting a chunk of your profit the day you buy. What would that do for you, your family, and your business? If you so desire, you could have no monthly payments. I'll show you how to do that. You will love that. And you get to make the rules. You see, with banks, hard money lenders, lines of credits, and other areas, they're setting the rules. How about if you set the funding rules for the first time? There are no credit checks. It saves you money. You make more money because the cheapest way to do your deals is all cash, and these are all cash deals. Flexibility, I structure where I pay my lenders on the 15th of the month. Why is that important? Well, since birth, renters know that the rent is due on the 1st. So what I do is I pay my private lenders on the 15th, gives me a little wiggle room in case the tenant is late. You do deals you couldn't do any other deals. Banks and hard money lenders and lines of credit, they're going to shut you down on deals. You can do deals with private money that they would refuse. Now think about that. Shouldn't you be the expert in your business? You get some of your profit when you buy. When I said it's cheaper than having a partner. I've had 2 partnerships, and they started out like cute little puppies, if you can imagine, and they both grew into ugly dogs. You don't need a partner in doing this. If you want to have one, that's fine, but you just don't need one. You can fund the purchase of defaulted paper, which is another income stream. In fact, I teach note buyers how to get private money for their the business. And there's other ways to have second streams of income, like being a hard money lender. How would you like to have so much money you can't spend it all? It happened to me, and I'll talk to you about that. The compelling reasons on getting private money lenders is I find it to be the best, the easiest, the cheapest, and the safest way to fund your real estate deals. Now, you see the link down there on your meetup page. You go there, and you will see there where I got the arrow, October 24th at 9 a.m. when it starts. That's the boot camp. And I need to have you get out there, get signed up so you don't miss out on this. Put it on your calendar and show up. So it's October 24th, 9 to 1. There's the link again. Take a screenshot of that, and let's get started on this. This thing is going to rock. It will be an incredible event for you.